The benefits of laughter is that it expands our lung capacity and allows us to take in more oxygen, which makes us more alert, more aware, and more able to receive life. Additionally, it puts us into a space of gratitude and appreciation for life as it's occurring. What more could you ask for? So these laughter exercises are so important because they do expand our capacity to breathe and receive in life. And not only that, they engage our nervous system so that we relax and feel safe and notice what is working in our life, what we're grateful for, what we can appreciate. That's all we got to do is laugh and return to gratitude. Ha ha, here we are. Let's bring our hands right beneath our navel. We're just going to start doing some simple circles right around the navel, warming up the belly. Whether you have a full stomach or not so much, we're just generating a little bit of warmth here, as that's what we're going to be warming up, our laugh. So just bring a little laugh to this circle now. Even if it's a little tough, just make the sound. Just humor yourself. It's not always easy, we get it, to be a human, but humor yourself for a moment. 3 more laughs. 2, and 3. Now that we've warmed up our belly, we're going to warm up our heart. So we're going to circle around our heart. Circling our heart. 1 more. And then we're going to circle on our joints. Circle on the elbows and the shoulders. And the ribs, like you were in the shower. They say laughter is soap for the soul. So just soap up, lather up, down to the knees, and the ankles, and the toes and feet. And then we can go to the other side, start with that foot. If you have any arthritis, it's just so wonderful to bring laughter to it. Take out the story about it being a problem for a moment. Just laugh with it. And the hips. Whether they've been replaced or they're on their way. We're doing just fine. Appreciating the hips. Other rib. And the shoulder. Elbow. This could be enough just as a practice. Wrists. And the hands. And then we'll just move the wrists. Breathing deep. Noticing your breath and heart rate. And then rub your palms together like you were up to something. But a little maniacal, like, you're up to something important. And start to tune in with the things that are working in your life. That's what's first important. Family maybe, or not. Friends, maybe they're there, maybe they're not. But tuning into what you're grateful for. Maybe a roof over your head, clothes on your back, food in your refrigerator. And each time laugh as an expression, an affirmation of gratitude, appreciation. And just notice how that starts to relax you. What I already have, your lot in life. And start to rub your palms as you get excited about your life actually working. In all the ways it does, because it does. You wouldn't be watching this otherwise. And a little bit more, just get present to an area of your life that seems really difficult, but bring it into the gratitude zone, like there might be a special gift for you. Like, coming to an Airbnb and it's not ready. So maybe you got to go somewhere else on a whim and you get free breakfast. Woo! Like, cool. Wow, amazing. How our life can just turn into a special gift. So just get present to that. And now let's get present to the present. So imagine you have a present in your hand, has a bow. Just for a moment, open up that present. Take off the lid and look into your life, just holding your life in your arms. Wow. And bring the laugh of wow. Here I am now. This is it. These are my conditions. Get present to the circumstances, actually, even if they're difficult, somehow being beneficial. Just a couple more looks into your hands. Beautiful. And inhale all the way up. And laugh hail all the way out to the sides. And again, inhale all the way up. Just notice your opportunity to receive a little more breath, a little more life. Up. And bring your hands back to your body. So easy to forget to be grateful for our organs. So we'll start with gratitude for our stomach and our intestines, churning and moving what they need to move, and our gallbladder and pancreas and spleen, giving us all these very specific, viscous, liquids and sludginess that actually somehow miraculously converts food into energy. A miracle. And then to our heart that just endlessly keeps beating. Wow. And close your mind for a moment into your heart, dropping your attention deep into the heart. And just notice if there's something there for you. A few deep breaths. Getting quiet. Couple more. And then bring one hand to your head. See if there's a communication between your heart and head today that keeps you in gratitude. Might be, oh, wow, I totally forgot that you're constantly working. Oh, and the heart might say to the head, wow, thank you for making sure that I make it through each day. And just let that all drop, hands back to the belly where we started. And completing today's practice in the gratitude zone of circling the core. Just feeling the abundance in your life. How good your life is. Thank you very much. Can't wait to laugh you later. See ya.